Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. I see the menu of brother Able on TV. Because there's something I want to tell you people. Who I want to talk to is Verydarkman. I want to tell you something. You know, I don't normally express myself or talk anything with English because I normally like to go by my dialect, which is Igbo language. But the reason why I say I will speak English is because of you. You might not be hearing Igbo. Maybe you don't hear Igbo. That is the reason why I say I must talk to you in English. Verydarkman, you are very wicked. Yes, you are very wicked and trickish. What type of a person are you? You are giving Harrison Gwamnishu 2 hours to come and confess as what? Is it are you positioning yourself as God or what? I want to know. Who do you think you are? Verydarkman, who do you think you are? I'm saying this small time now. All this your Okuko follower will start fighting me. But you are fighting me is nothing to me because once God has done it for me, and those things you are typing on this Facebook cannot harm me. It cannot do anything to me. Verydarkman, all I want to tell you, whether you like it or not, if they bring you out and Harrison Gwamnishu, I will choose Harrison Gwamnishu 1,000 times before you. I must tell you, Harrison Gwamnishu, you brought him out, you drag him. That young guy come out and beg everybody, including you. All he could do is to bring out what you people discuss in secret. That young man chatted you, beg you to stop swallowing his name. All he could do is to come expose it to the public. That shows that you are very, very wicked. That shows that you are childish. You're not acting like a man. That is why everybody is avoiding you. Tell me any prominent men that are associating with you. Can you mention one? Can you mention any prominent men in this Nigeria that are associating himself with you? Just tell me. You are very wicked, Verydarkman. You are very wicked. I know if I finish saying this, your rat tile, okay, will come and fight me. But I don't care. All this thing you are writing is nonsense. But Verydarkman, I want to tell you one thing. That market somewhere. If you don't stop all this bullying, if you don't stop all this trickish, if you don't stop all these people you are spoiling their name, one day you will be in a trouble that nobody will save you. Get market somewhere. You will fall in a very terrible issue that you will not come out from it. You are very wicked. You try to spoil this young guy name because people are comparing both of you. You want to claim like as if you are God. You are not God. Somebody who was selling his prick. Somebody like you who was selling his prick. You are claiming to be God. Who made you God? That young guy called Harrison is better than you. And mind you, there's nothing you can do in this life that your people will give you, even common House of Assembly they cannot give you. Even chairman local government you cannot get. Even governor you cannot get. Even senator, even House of Representatives you can never get. Can't work it because you have shown people how bad you are. You have said your prick, so nobody value you again. Even my children cannot watch you. Even my children cannot allow them to watch somebody like you. Some people are saying that you are their savior. You are nothing. Even the NGO you say that you are doing. Tell me what thing you have helped people with that. Tell me one single thing that you have used that NG money to do. People are afraid of you because they get about to talk. Many people have what they will tell you. Many people have what they will tell you, but they are afraid of you because if they tell you something now, you will come after them because you get mad. Only with this mouth you get, you can only achieve only this comment they're commenting. Only thing you can achieve in life is all this helping they're helping you on Facebook. On Facebook only. Because no reasonable businessman can associate with you. No reasonable businessman will bring him or herself out to associate with you because you are evil. He want to fight this young guy with sentiment. Somebody who have already accept that he's wrong by paying himself, by collecting some of the money from the money want to pay this called Ndobu money. He have told you that his system, that his idea, that is the way of paying himself. Now then he say it is very bad. He come out and say, okay, I'm sorry, that one is not for you. You come out. If you don't come and confess, I will expose you. Then he have given him 2 hours, 2.5 hours pass and go. Then show us that evidence. None. You have not shown us anything. Verydarkman, shame on you. Some people will come, and I want to narrate this. Those people that normally come on Facebook and they have already decided what to type, what to comment, and you come there and see what others are commenting. You change the direction. You come and correct another thing. Stop it. If you see anybody that is not doing good, tell the person is not. Stop reading the comment. If you read the comment, you follow the comment, what people are commenting, then you write your own. Have something in mind before you come on comment section. If you see what is not good by doing by this so-called Verydarkman, tell him that is not doing well. Verydarkman, you are ashamed, they shame me. You're not a good person. How can you come online and expose what your fellow human being, somebody who come to Abuja to be with you when they hold you there? Somebody who come to Abuja, who came to Abuja when the Abuja people hold you, when they put you in cell. That young guy come over there and stay with you and pardon with you and sympathize with you. That the same guy you want to buy with sentiment. You are not a good person, Verydarkman. I must tell you this. I'm not afraid of you because I will tell you everything I want to tell you. You are not a good person. You are very devilish. You are not a good person. All you could do, all your work. I never know the system. I never know why people say you are a savior. You are a. Tell me what you have achieved with all this bullying. You are bullying people. You don't like to see anybody that is rich. You don't like to see any rich person with your 2 eyes. You would like to do anything you can do to bring that person die. That is only your work. That is only your work, and it's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. You say you are doing NGO. What have you done with the NGO? What help have you helped people with that money? The money you say it was in your account. What have you done with those money? Last time he said you crash the price of phone and in Nigeria. Which one? You cannot even crash the one of Newi, let alone the Nigeria. Then how come? How go about the phone? When are those phones you say you import to crash down the price of phone in Nigeria? At times if you are talking, I say you are talking like a small kid. You are a junior, you are still small, because a reasonable person, a single man cannot crash the price of anything in Nigeria. Single. Go to my market and say, nah, I don't want to talk to you, but I want to tell you, if you don't stop all these things you are doing, what will happen to you? You don't like it. God must surely surrender you one day. That's the only thing I want to tell you. And mind you, if you don't stop it, you will be in trouble that you will not come out. I still remain your brother, Igbo TV.